Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to deactivate or close your Wave accounts, of course in case you no longer need it or you want to move to a different platform. Let's get started. First step, log into your Wave accounts. Of course, once you're logged in with your credentials, just click on the gear icon that's in the bottom left corner to go to the settings. In the settings menu, you want to scroll down and look for the account section. Here you'll find the option to close your account. Click on that. You're going to be asked to confirm your decision to close the account. Wave will remind you that closing your account means you will lose access to your financial data and you won't be able to recover it once it's closed. If you're sure, go ahead and click close accounts. If you just want to deactivate your accounts temporarily, you can option for that instead, depending of course on the available options for your region. And that's it. Your Wave account is now deactivated or closed, depending of course on your choice. And in the next video we're going to dive into restoring deleted transactions in Wave, just in case you ever need that, so stay tuned to that video. That's pretty much it for this one guys. Hope you liked it, hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.